This year, I'm investing $20,000. And if that money compounds the way the stock market historically has, that 1 year of investing alone could turn into $90,000 in the future. Not from trading, not from trying to time the market, just simple long term investing. So today, I'm going to break down exactly where every dollar is going, why I'm investing it this way, and how small decisions like this can quietly build serious wealth over time. Let's get right into it. Number one, why most people never even invest this much. Here's the reality, guys. Most people don't invest 20K in a year for sure. And it's not because they can't, it's because the money disappears before it even gets invested or they even think about doing that because bonuses turn into vacations, raises turn into nicer cars, extra income turns into lifestyle upgrades. It's like I mentioned this in every single video. And once again, I am not against enjoying your money. Believe me, I do. I go golfing a lot. I do a lot of things that, cost money. But that extra income can be dangerous because it feels like free money. So instead of raising their net worth, people are raising their cost of living. But I am trying to look at extra money differently at this point in my life. It's not spending money, it's opportunity. It's an opportunity to buy more assets and build more wealth down the line. Number two, my Roth IRA. So the first $7,500 went straight into my Roth IRA. I maxed it out like the first or second day that I could. And if you're not familiar with a Roth IRA, it's honestly one of the best investment accounts that has ever existed because the money you invest grows completely tax free. So that means decades from now, when you withdraw that money in retirement, every dollar is yours, no taxes on it at all. So inside that Roth IRA, I'm keeping things extremely simple. Most of it is invested in low-cost index funds that track the S&P 500. So that's funds like VOO, and I use FXAIX, which is just the Fidelity version of it. And historically, it's returned over 10% per year over long periods of time, which is very good. So instead of trying to pick individual stocks, I'm buying, these stocks that is basically buying ownership in the top 500 largest companies in America. So it's companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, whatever it is. It's simple, it's low cost, and it's long term. Number three, my bonus. So the next 3,500 is coming straight from my work bonus, and I made another video on that. You guys can check it out if you want. But instead of spending it on something flashy, I do the same thing that I talk about in every single video. I put it straight into the market. And most of that money went into broad index funds, like I say in every single video, VOO, FXAIX, because when you buy these index funds, you're not trying to guess which company wins. You're just owning the whole market itself. And historically, this is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. So the next time you guys get a bonus or raise or any extra cash from a side hustle, even, you don't have to dump it all into investments, but just do a percentage of it, and you're going to be surprised by how much it grows. Number four, the rest is coming straight from my paychecks. So we're at about 10 grand right now. So the rest of that other 10 grand is going to come straight from something very simple, my paychecks. Everybody has those, you guys. So every time I get paid, a portion of that money automatically goes into my individual account. And this is the part that most people skip. It is not the big investment. I understand most people can't get a bonus or max out their Roth IRA every single year, but this one is the one that should be the most important. It's the consistent investing every single paycheck because investing, I don't think, is about that one big deposit. It's about repetition and building that mindset that you're going to invest no matter what because it's investing in yourself at the end of the day. So I like to think of it as like going to the gym. One workout isn't going to change your body, right? You can't just go once and get jacked, but hundreds of workouts over time, you're absolutely going to change your body. It's like progressive overload and compounding. Like you increase the reps, you increase the weight, it is going to add up over time. And investing works the same exact way. Number five, I want to talk about some small contributions that will actually add up. So I won't even count my HSA or 401k, but both of those accounts are doing well. HSA, I do like $100 into it every 2 weeks, and the 401k has a match of 3 to 4%. So both of those accounts are doing well and are going to continue to grow. And those smaller contributions are going to add up a lot faster than people realize. And I'm not even counting them in this equation. And it's because of compounding. That is the real magic. So let's just go over everything I've said and just see what could happen with it. So with the 20 grand I'm investing this year, and it grows at a conservative amount, 7 to 8%, here's what happens. In 10 years, that turns into 43K. And in 20 years, that turns into 93K. And in 30 years, it's over 200 grand. And that's from 1 year of investing, guys. That is insane. So imagine doing that every single year if you get consistent with it. That is how wealth is built quietly over time. And you can bet that I'm going to be investing a lot more because I'm going to be chasing this growth. If I've already experienced a little bit, why not get a lot more? Because this is one of the most consistent ways to build it up over time. Number six, why I'm not increasing my lifestyle with this. Now, could I spend that $20,000 instead? Of course I could. On trips, new golf clubs, nicer car, pretty much anything I want, honestly. But the fastest way to stay average financially is to increase your lifestyle every time your income increases, whether that's a bonus, a raise, your side hustle, whatever it is. Instead, I am trying to increase my asset column because when you buy assets, you buy something way more valuable than stuff like something that is going to break in a couple months or in a year. You're buying freedom with this, you're buying options, you're buying security, and it's flexibility later in life. And lastly, the bigger picture and my call to action. So, at the end of the day, it is not about being cheap, you guys. It is about being intentional because every single dollar you invest today is basically buying you future freedom. And these small financial decisions like this compound for decades. Just think about every little decision you make every single day that could follow you for years. This is the same thing, but you're playing around with your life and what you'll be able to do 10, 20, 30 years from now if you're going to be stuck at a job or if you're going to be financially free. So the goal is not to look rich right now, it is to become rich quietly over time. So, you guys, I am curious. If someone handed you 20 grand today, would you invest it or would you spend it? Drop it in the comments below. And if you guys are trying to build wealth, stay disciplined, and level up in your 20s, make sure to like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace.